Random.
Roll her out. There's one knuckle out. Oh. Perfect. Well, we got parts prepped back from sandblasting. We got a couple of them actually primed right now. Getting ready for some orange paint. And then we got a whole table full over here. Look at all these painted suspension parts, looking good. We pretty much got all the front done, of course, minus the traction bars, you know, that'll go on when we do the rear. Got the torsion bars in here, got the cross member, and then steering bracket. And then I did just a little bit of touch up on these upper control arms. Once all this is pretty much cured, we'll be ready to put the front end together. All right, so we got the other side coated and drying, so I guess we're gonna throw some drop brackets in. I'm gonna go ahead and get this put in and drill this hole out so it'll fit in the frame. Check that out. Got the old first bit of orange on the truck. Looks pretty good. I'll tell you, dragging around the diff by yourself is pretty rough. We're gonna try to slide it up under here in the truck. All right, now I done put a lot of junk in here, so I'm gonna have to somehow rotate this thing like in like that with this jack and by hand, so it's gonna be fun. Oh, well, that was about an hour's worth of work of lugging that up in there by myself, but it's in, so that's all that matters. Now, I guess we'll go ahead and get the control arms in, honestly. About the next thing, lower control arms, put some shocks in, try to get the sway bar squeezed through there. Then we can start painting the rest of the frame. Get the torsion bars on. Lord, we got knuckles on, everything hooked up, torsion bars in, brakes bled, about ready for some wheels. We're gonna set her down and we gotta turn it around and do the back. Not looking forward to it, but we ain't gonna have her squatted. All right, it should go on now.
Right. Why don't you just clean up these wheels and sell them for about $5 grand?
Could. I mean, look at that. Plenty. See that? I mean, plenty of tread left.
I mean, look at how deep these gaps are. That's plenty of tread. There's still rubber on them tires.
Look how clean. Got the nice grass clippings on them.
Right. I mean, those are at least worth $3 grand.
Now, something funny is that these are literally lighter than the Thunderbird's wheels and tires.
Right.
I can just take this and lift it straight up on there. On the car, I'm like, here we go. Don't mind that sway bar not being hooked up. He's on the ground. How's our camber looking?
Very nice.
It's firing.
Yeah.
Lord. Listen to that can.
Looks pretty good. The camber on this front wheel up here really looks nice.
Yeah. All right, it's the next day and I've already took the time to get most of the bolts out, and we're just gonna go ahead and drop the rear differential, slide it out. Now we're just gonna take the leaf packs out, and then we're gonna take some of these little accessory bits off to get them painted up. We may paint the gas tank too. We'll see what happens. We're kind of running out of painting days this year, so we might not go too crazy on it. But yeah, we got most of it already done, so. Well, we got some stuff painted here. Got the old leaf, just for one pack, and then look at this axle. Looking good. All right, to replace the terrible looking cover, got this. Nice and chrome, and it's actually got a drain plug on it now, so that's good. Looking clean, and now we got the final parts being painted. Gonna throw on some coats, and then we'll be ready to put this old boy back together. Well, everything's ready to go back together. Springs were put together in unconventional methods, but they're done. Whole bottom's cleaned up. Already got the little orange bracket on. We got a bunch of new parts here, and the grill got to go back in. But yeah, let's go ahead and put them leaf springs in. And a little up. There. Oh my god! Opens up right here. Alright. Yeah, under that part of the truck, it's big. Wow. Lucas, you having fun tightening up that?
No.
Arms are hurting.
My right arm is. My
Got
left
done with
arm
the other
is,
side.
My left arm's it just tapped in, so.
I think your right arm would be stronger with all the practice.
He's ambidextrous. All right, we got the last few things going on right here. We got sway bar end links going on. We got the brakes bled. Got traction bars on. Yeah, we're gonna finish all that up. Get the wheels on, and then see if she drives around. Well, this build went a little bit quicker than the bird. But I think it's time to finally show it. So, here she is. What do you think about new build?
It's pretty bad.
Yep. I think it's looking good right there. What do you think? Looking good up there too?
Not as bad as my truck was on the roof, I'll tell you that.
This is looking good as well. Anything else looking good? Nice water spots on the frame. Looking good. Water spots on the lift. Looking good. No sway bar. Looking good.
You still didn't put the sway bar on? we need to fix your front door too, because you got
What did you just find in the tires?
4 rocks in the tar. No wonder this thing was right. Looky there, that's the 5th one. No wonder this thing's riding bad. It's got to be totaled now.